Here we are in the beautiful city of Chennai in the south of India, southeast of India. I see something up ahead. Let's see what we got up here. Looks like we got some people eating. Hello. Hi. Hi. Fresh biryani. Benji. Oh, looks good. Good. Yeah, I see coconut. That's what I want though. Fresh coconut. Where's the coconut, man? Coconuts. Raja. Coconuts, huh? See, here she is. She's coming. Coconuts. How much? 50 rupees. Okay. Sounds like a good price. Let's see. Let's watch her cut it up. This is always the best right here when they cut it up. She's going for the orange one. Look at her. She got that big knife. She is on it. Look at that skill. Beautiful. Oh, there it is. Nice juice. You're skilled. You know what you're doing, huh? Thank you. Nandri. Let's see. Let's have it in one go. 50 rupees. I drink and then I give, okay? I finish. Okay, here, hold. Tasty. Hello, what? Change no. 50 rupees. Yes, I have. Australia. America. USA. Very good. Okay, where can I put?
This side.
This
Okay,
way.
you can input that sweet cream. Inside my sweet.
It's sweet.
Yes.
You want to cut it? Nandri. I think she's gonna cut it open for me. Look at her. Oh yeah. Look at the skill on that. She's definitely knows what she's doing. Look at that. Oh, the fresh coconut. She's gonna scoop it up. Oh wow. I wonder what it tastes like. I've never actually ate the inside of the cocoa before. She's going in. We're laughing over here.
You have not money.
Yeah. Okay, I try it. Let's try it. Fresh coconut. Let's try it out.
This is Tamil Aya.
Tamil.
This one lady is named Aya.
Aya, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
You translate for her. Nice. It's quite slimy, actually. But pretty good and refreshing. Lots of nutrition, I suppose. Okay, I'm done. Let's give the money over to Aya. Here, thank you. Bye. Thank you. Aya, thank you. Very nice lady. The coconut was amazing. A Tamil coconut here in Chennai. Like I said, what's this green, yellow, green? What is that with the trees? I'm very curious to know. Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
Do you know why the trees are green, yellow, and green? You know why?
I don't know, I'm sorry.
You don't know?
I don't know.
Are you from Chennai?
No, I'm from Singapore.
Oh, Singapore. Oh, I see.
Where are you from?
I'm from California.
Oh,
yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Nice
Have
to
a
meet
good
you.
time.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Nice people from Singapore. Lovely people. But yeah, I'm very curious to know what's up with the trees here. Green, yellow, green. If you know, let me know in the comments, please. Aya, she's still going. Bye bye. Nice lady. Biryani. Biryani. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Okay. Hello, sir. How are you? Do you know why the tree is green, yellow, green? Why is the tree like that?
Because of the corporation.
The what?
Corporation maintenance. Corporation maintenance.
The maintenance.
Smart city. Smart city.
Small city.
Yeah, this is for smart city.
Oh, okay. So in other cities they have different color.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes, yes.
Really? Okay. So
beautiful.
So that's why. Yeah, it's beautiful. I like the colors. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
We are only did the painting.
Painting.
We have did the painting.
Oh, you did the painting.
Yeah, we are unemployed people. So
Oh, I see. I see. Okay. Okay. Nandri. Bye bye. So they said it's for the maintenance, I think. Just to make the city look good, I guess. I don't know. I didn't quite understand. But yeah, I guess there's no really reason. They just want to make the city look beautiful. And those guys painted it. So cheers to them. Cheers. Hello, sir. How are you?
How are you? Fine.
I'm good. What's your good name?
Shakti.
Shakti.
Your
Nice,
name?
nice to meet you. Ty. Ty.
Your name is yeah?
Ty.
Sai.
Ty. Yeah, bro. Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah, yeah.
Cheers.
Okay.
Cheers. Cheers. Nice people here in the city of Chennai. So yeah, let's see what's going on. You got fresh, a nice store for glasses. But luckily for your boy, I don't need glasses anymore because I got LASIK, got 20/20 a few months ago. Perfect vision, had surgery. Hello boys, how are you? Hiro. Hi. Hiro. 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 Hi, hi, hey. Yeah? Oh, okay. Nandri. Some good laugh over here in Chennai. It's all business. Everyone's up to, you know, they're working, they're hustling the bustle, they're eating the biryani, they're cutting coconuts. Here, what do we got? A KFC. Kentucky Fried Chicken. I heart KFC. Hello, bro. How are you? No, it's okay. Thank you. I'm sorry, bro. I already gave it someone else.
No book, one burger please.
Huh?
Burger.
Burger, yeah, burger. Burger. KFC. Oh, it's good.
Bye.
Bye. Here you go, bro.
Bye, burger, please.
No burger. I'll give you some money. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. I already gave you money. Bye. Lovely people. I'm sorry. If I give money to everyone, I'll become a broke man and I'll be stuck here in Chennai. Hello, sir. Malaysian restaurant. Yeah, it's good. Oh, okay. I see. It's good? Oh, Malaysian restaurant. Okay, maybe after the coconut settles and I get those nutrients, we'll head on into the Malaysian restaurant. But look at this Jeep. Beautiful Jeep. Oh, Jeep. Beautiful. I would always want to take one of these through the desert. That would be badass right there. Just mobbing through the desert in the Jeep or the jungle of India. There's an Indian oil gas station. Get your petrol. Hello. Yeah, lots of action over here. The mailbox. That's what a mailbox looks like in India. Wow. Nice and bright and red. Over here we got some clothes for sale. Some fresh chai. Chai. Oh, nice. Got some ants in the sugar. Some milk. Some chai. Okay, no, Nandri. I'm just looking. So yeah, that's what it's like here in Pondy Bazar. Hi. The trees again. All the tuk-tuks lined up. Hey. Alrighty. I think that will do it for this one. Cheers from Chennai. And tap in. I'll see you guys tomorrow.